Yada yada and yada abroad. If you are a Jamaican living in Jamaica or overseas, this message is for you. Do not skip this video. If you live on the east side of the US or Canada and you ship barrels to Jamaica on a regular basis and you are quite okay with all the hassle and the trouble of shopping and then struggling to carry all the things done to the shipper and to pot the barrel, then this video is not for you. You can go ahead and skip. But if you are not fine doing things that way and you often find yourself with less than a full barrel to ship but don't know how to, there is a way. Sit back and let me explain it to you. If you live in places such as California, Arizona, Chicago, Las Vegas, or the UK, in places like Manchester, Birmingham, or even if you're living in the Cayman Islands or a country like Bermuda, let's say you live in Canada, in a place like Winnipeg or British Columbia, often you want to send things back home but you do not have access to barrel services. Oftentimes you have items that is less than a barrel full but you want to send it home but find it very difficult. There is a way. And there is a way to do it cheap. There is a way to shop online and have it delivered to your doorstep in Jamaica. No matter which website you use, send anything to your family, friends, or loved one in Jamaica. Shop on any of your favorite websites, no matter where in the world that company is. Whether your favorite website is Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, or even Temu, you can get your items delivered to the doorstep in Jamaica for 25% of what FedEx, DHL, and UPS normally charges.
Hug, you see that? Have your package for you. Excited?
Man, yeah.
Oh, see, it kind of weighty too.
Come quick, man.
Come quick?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Respect.
Make sure you refer your friends and family.
Of course.
It is fast, reliable, and efficient. My company is Island Shipper, and we have been doing this for a very long time. This seems too good to be true, don't it? Between me and you, I did feel the same way 4 years ago before I received my package. But look at me now. I represent the brand. We have hundreds of delivery videos posted on our social media of us delivering packages. Yes, you can buy anything from any website anywhere in the world and have it go to your doorstep in Jamaica cheap. So click on the button below that says learn more and I will tell you more. When you support us, you are not only supporting a small business, you are supporting Jamaica.